Hi, in this short video presentation we're going to look at how to use the audio streaming integrity measurement with the MultiDSLA test system. We're going to need a DSLA, and we can make use of the handset port, or we can make use equally well of the balanced in port on the front panel. We're also in this case using this mobile as a Bluetooth sending device and playing a test tone from it. That's going to be quite a long duration test tone. We're going to use this loudspeaker as the Bluetooth receiving device, and along with it a microphone to pick up the signal acoustically and a preamplifier to couple that into the DSLA input. So let's take a look at this in schematic form. On the left, the sending device, the loudspeaker, the microphone, the preamplifier, and finally the connection to the DSLA. If the streaming receiver has a convenient loudspeaker jack, then we can use that instead, and there's no need for the microphone. Now, in the MultiDSLA application itself, I'm going to run the ASI test, and that produces this blue rectangle in the test manager window, just pointing to that there. And if we double click this, it will open up the results analyzer window, which will give us a view on the results. Now, all being well, it will take a long time for these results to appear because they're anomalies. So we've cut out a little bit of the waiting time, and here already we can see one anomaly detected. And when we press that, click it to display, we can see that the software has aligned the detected anomaly with the 0.5 second marker. So in other words, it's positioned it centrally in that 1 second window of the display. When we zoom that, we can see what's happened here. Part of the waveform is missing, and we can see the effect that that has visually, and we can also see on the left the duration of that event. Two further events have just been identified. One here, this is a long gap. This indicates quite a serious long duration dropout, perhaps caused by fading or by interference from a Wi-Fi signal. When we zoom, we see there's absolutely no signal in there. The next event occurs very shortly afterwards, within the same 1 second sampling window. So you see the effect of that in there. Now we have detected a few anomalies. Let's generate a report. And ensuring that we have the sine wave integrity measurement selector enabled there. Let's export to Excel and look at there are the 4 anomalies, each one with its duration, the timestamp, and a path to the recorded files. As we go back to the analyzer, we see there is finally one more detection. Let's just take a quick look at that. And zooming in, we see that again there's a small piece of that waveform missing. And finally, by following the link here, you can find an express setup file which provides all the setup that you need in one easy operation. Please make use of that. Thank you for listening and watching, and watch out for more in the how-to series from Opal Systems.